Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, February the 10th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos for you all this week, because Dollar General has been absolutely on fire with the deals. We've got new coupons, new glitches, new clearance markdowns, a huge penny list. We still have our P&G spin deals, and I have uploaded the full Dollar General glitch list for you all earlier today. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, because they're simply just that. They're a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, now we're going to kick this off with a gain scenario. So I just wanted to remind everybody really quickly about this little glitch right here. If your store is out of stock of the Febreze Gain Scented Air Effects, you might pick up this one right here. It's the Febreze Bora Bora Water Scent, and this does attach and work with the Gain coupon. Alright, so for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. You can choose from the flings, the fireworks, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets. There's a lot of different ones you can choose from. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50. One of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. Again, you can pick up the flings, fireworks, the fabric softener, or the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain fireworks at $4.50. One of the Gain scented Febreze small spaces at $3.25. One of the Gain scented Febreze air effects at $3.25. One Gain dish soap at $2. 3 of the Crest Pro Health at $1 each, and one Kleenex priced at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.50. And here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after everything has been applied, that's going to leave you paying just $8.85 out of pocket for 11 items, making each one just 80 cents each. Next up, we got a little food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Dr. Pepper 6-packs. They're on sale 3 for $10 or 3 for $9, depending on your store. Then we're going to pick up one of the Lipton teas at $2.25, one of the Frito-Lay dips at $3.30, one Hellman's mayo at $3, one Smucker's jelly at $2.95, one of the Kleenex 3-count at $1, and one Airwick advanced warmer at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.50. And here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything's been applied, you're paying $8.50 for 9 items, making each one just 94 cents each. All right, next up, we got a little Persil and Purex deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Persil liquid laundry detergents at $9.95 and one of the Purex liquid laundry detergents at $6. One of the Kleenex 3-count at $1, one Airwick advanced warmer at $4, one of the Airwick Vibrant 2-count oil refills at $7. Ring that one up first. Then you're going to pick up one of the Airwick starter kits lavender scent at $4.25, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, and one of the Always Discreet liners at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $36.45. Here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after everything has been applied, that's going to leave you paying just $7.45 for all 8 items. But this deal gets even better, because you're going to receive back $1 in DG cash for picking up the Purex. That's going to make your final price $6.45 for 8 items, making each one just 80 cents each. Alright, next up, we got a little Purex and Snuggle deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Purex liquid laundry detergents at $10, one of the Purex 21-count packs at $4, one of the Snuggle dryer sheets at $2, one of the Airwick advanced warmers at $4, one Airwick warmer at $2.25. Make sure that you ring the one priced at $2.25 up first. Then you're going to pick up one of the Febreze warmers at $3.25 and one of the Kleenex 3-count at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.50. Here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after all coupons have been applied, that is going to leave you paying just $5.45 for 7 items. But this deal does get even better, because then you're going to receive back $1 in DG cash on the Purex packs. And if it stacks with a coupon, you're going to get $2 in DG cashback on the large Purex. That's going to make your final price $2.45 for all 7 items, making each one just 35 cents each, which I think is a fantastic deal. And of course, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. I highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer. You don't have to worry about anything, adding anything onto your account, keeping up with anything at all. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on every single receipt, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, make sure that you go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you'll receive a few extra welcome bonus points. All right, now y'all make sure that you watch the video all the way through, because I do have some really exciting news to share with you all. But first, I do want to let all the new couponers out there know that I have already put together a video going over 5 off $25 scenarios, talking about all the different coupons, ways that you can stack the coupons, and what you need to be aware of. So if you have not watched that video yet, I'm going to leave it linked for you in the pinned comment down below, so make sure that y'all go and check it out. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Leave it in the comments, or you can reach out to me via Instagram or email. Now, for the really exciting news, I do want to say happy Friday, everybody. I hope you all had a fantastic week, and I hope you have an even better weekend. But it is Friday, and like I said, Dollar General has been on fire all week long. Every single day we've had something new pop up, and today is no different. We have tons and tons and tons of surprise pennies right now at Dollar General. I know, it is absolutely crazy. I have already went through my list. There's tons and tons and tons of penny items out there. I've already been putting the visuals together, so there will be a video coming up, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you all the news, especially my loyal crazy couponers who watch the videos all the way through. That way you can run out and you can go ahead and start scanning and just scan everything. I'm sure that some of you all will remember a couple months back when we had a huge surprise, hundreds of surprise pennies. That's what's happening again. So y'all can decide for yourself if you want to run right now to your Dollar General before the stores close. Just make sure that you scan everything in that clearance section. Scan, and I'm going to have a video up very shortly for you all ASAP. Like I said, I've already been working on the visuals, but I wanted to stop and share the 5 off $25 scenarios. That way everybody's ready to go for tomorrow, and also share this crazy news with you all. So like I said, y'all stick around and stay tuned, because I will have that surprise penny visual video coming up for you all next. So before you go, you know the drill. Make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, make sure that they are set to all. That way you don't miss out on any crazy deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.